What's up guys, Selimify here. In today's video, well, we are making an unboxing video of Mako driver set. I think it's like 64 bits, we will see in the video. And I guess before the video I'm gonna do my intro as always, because that is what I usually do. So yeah, if you guys enjoy my content, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button guys, and comment down below if you have anything to say. Right now we have cooking, art, gaming, technology, reaction, 5 contents. You can find them in the play section of the channel, you can find them in the homepage section of the channel, and you can find them in the description tab of the video that you're watching obviously. And if you have any feedback, critique, whatsoever, let me know in the comment down below as always. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna straight go up the video because I don't want to take you guys time. Actually, before the unboxing video, I actually want to show the products. This is the Mako IFIXIT. It's like reverse because I'm using the webcam. Unfortunately, it's like precision bit set. We will see in the video, of course, so everything it will be much, I guess, accurate the way it shows. But I just want to show these are the prying tools. I bought them in 5 package, like 5 inside one package, because that was like much more value. And we have this driver set. I will show you in the video guys. So yeah, let's go to video now. So yeah guys, here we are now gonna watch the video, of course. And these are the things that I bought, which was one of them opening tools. This is what they come as a package. And we can already see like it's for laptop, desktop, mobile phone, drone cameras, toy consoles, home appliances. I like the way that it shows like where it belongs to. And yeah, I'm just gonna start the video, of course, because why not just waste time while waiting for it. Okay, yeah, it's 1,005 packs, and it's just everything is here. I'm trying to see. I think it's come from Germany, maybe, not sure. And we have the precision bit set. This is like one of the few packages that you can get the premium aluminum, not premium, the aluminum driver set. Other ones are plastic. I'm not sure how good is the plastic one, but the aluminum one is at least heavy, so it has more strength when you switch, I guess, the pins, the bolts. And it says guides, solutions, tools, yeah, whatsoever. The amount of things that also in there, you can also pause the video and see that yourself. I actually need just upgrading my laptop, or maybe in future if I get like desktop, I can also do that for it, because it's like multi-beneficial. You're just buying one pack, and yeah, in order to open it, unfortunately I have to use my bottom camera. That's how I can do it. Yeah, ASMR time. I feel like the sound is coming from this side in my headset. I don't know why. Or maybe my speaker is in that side in the phone. I need to remember, because my phone is like from 2018. It is, yeah. Yeah, these actual things are quite hard. I was expecting to be a bit, soft, but they're not soft. They're hard plastic. And I'm hoping that they're going to do a great job while opening the laptop without damaging it. And it says in the tool itself as well. Let me pause that if I can find it. Yeah, this tool is designed to break before your device does. Yep, that's a good indication that we are going to be fine when we use these tools. There is also like guitar discs, but I didn't go with that because I feel like these are more beneficial for me, since they are usually much more accurate for opening the backside of the laptop. And fingers crossed for that video guys, of course. Yeah, and these entire packages I think like cost a bit under 30 or 40, like under 40 euro, I believe. It wasn't that expensive, but I also just wanted to go with the one screwdriver and one pin. If I just do that, I had to pay like 17 euro, but I didn't want to do that because instead of I can buy the whole pack, why just buy just single one pin for opening the laptop? But I just trying to keep the minimalist design. I could get the essential package, but I didn't need that. I didn't need too much tools. I just need the screwdriver and opening thing to upgrade my system. And hopefully it will do the great job for me, I hope, because back then I used my fingers, and not good for new buys that are, you know, trying to open the laptop without damaging it. Okay, it says it says 64 bits the amount. Yeah, I'm using, you know, tweezers to open the the foil. It is actually very hard foil, very sticky. It took me quite a long time to open it, and we are kind of getting ASMR effect from here. Maybe, I'm not sure. So yeah, that was the idea. I just, you know, trying to keep everything as simple, as minimalistic as possible. That's why I didn't get any other Essential tool or Pro tool, whatever. Pro tools are actually a bit expensive, 70 euros, something like that. Essential is also like similar to this price, but in Essential you don't get the high quality screwdriver, and this also comes with the extension cord. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to use that in future, but I don't think I'm going to use that a lot other than the screwdriver itself. But I'm hoping that it will be also come in handy when I upgrade to a desktop maybe in future. Yeah, I didn't do a great job while, you know, peeling the foil, unfortunately, but I have to go with it because that's how they, you know, put the stuff, unfortunately. Okay, let's go to, yeah, try to open it, please. Yeah, I think there is like one other foil in the top, and that's like what I'm trying to open. Since I'm using one hand, it will be like always like difficult to do it. I don't have a like cameraman to do this for me, like when they record, and I just, you know, open it with my two hands. Doing one hand recording, one hand opening is kind of hard to do. I'm using, you know, my nails to open it, and then I'm going to use my tweezers again because I just don't want to, you know, rip the box apart. I just like to use the box with it. Because I know that these are magnetic, and what happens if I don't use with the box? I believe every small bump, it might, you know, go outside, the you know, hatch can open, but with inside the box, it's always, you know, have that extra protection that will not happen eventually. Yeah, but I feel like the Linus one, which if you guys want to buy that one, those have like a chest type of system where you can lock, and it will never go you know, wobbly when you move. If this magnetic thing opens, because we don't have anything other than magnet that holds the, you know, pins or bits, whatever that is they call. And I didn't really do a great job with the top one as well, but it doesn't matter because this is like outside box anyway. I'm just trying to figure out where I should open the box. It's like a puzzle, and I got a notification. Okay, come on, man, open the box. Yep. Yeah, I think the most useful ones that I will need is the Phillips head screws, like the ones that are usually common with the laptops. And maybe for the future ones in the desktops, there will be like a bit larger models are good. I'm hoping that I'm not gonna damage them fast, otherwise it will be very unfortunate. Yeah, I'm just trying to slide the box with my single hand. Come on. Yeah, I like this design, like they hold the hand with the, you know, wrench. We can fix it. Oh, that's Bob the Builder, sorry. Leg reveal. Okay. Okay, I think maybe after this video I might try to upgrade my RAM of my laptop. That would be really helpful because my laptop is, you know, waiting for a very long time to get a loyal upgrade. But I don't really want to spoil it, but there I say it, I'm sorry. If you guys watch here, maybe you guys know what will be the future video. I don't know. Yeah, come on, open it. Yeah, there's like a info guide where they just say we can fix that. There's like a sticker box with it. That's cool. They are, you know, a brand, so I guess it is possible to have stickers. Yeah, I like this design of the box as well. It's like a old CD plastic box type of thing that where you can put inside CDs. I think 2 of them can fit inside that one. What they call that cartoon thingy. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, you guys probably understand what I mean. Yeah, we have the stickers. I fixed it. Fixed. Yeah, you can fix it. Yeah, I like the magazine. It's not really, I didn't really read too much, but they don't really have a lot of words in it, so yeah. We're on a mission. I guess, cool advertisements, we can say. Guides, parts, and tools. That's great. Yep. Nothing should be made that can't be fixed. I mean, there are a lot of things that are also possible that we cannot fix because they are very delicate, that sometimes repairing cannot save it. You eventually have to buy a new one. In that case, I can't really say that everything, the art of repair and with guides. Yeah, I'm not sure if the life one, like I bought this not from the official website, I bought this from like a store in here. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work with the lifetime warranty, but I hope so. That would be very, very useful if that works that way, because then I can order bits freely without, worrying about damaging mine. And yeah, sorry for my mousepad. It looks a bit, I guess, oh yeah, I opened the box, and that's the IFIXIT bit driver aluminum, and there's like the extender cable, and there's the, when I touch the things, it's a bit, I feel like I damaged the inside shells of the bits, but apparently that's normal because they just, inserted very hard inside, so it's just kind of feel like it's stuck. So no matter how you move it, it's just gonna make that. Yeah, it just rotates, but it never, pops open. I'm not sure if it's possible to pop that open. I hope we can do it. If not, it's still not a big deal, because in the plastic one you can use as a SIM card SIM card removal thingy, which is very handy. But I can't say the same for this one. And yeah, I'm just trying to take the extender from here, but I can't do it. And I tried to understand how the extender works, because at first, no matter how I try, it didn't work for me. Apparently I have to push a bit harder than usual, because I'm usually much gentle with the technology stuff. I'm worried that I'm gonna hurt it. So now I'm gonna try to do with the twizzle to pick it up, and then I picked it up, of course. And yeah, that's the combined when it's combined with extender. There's also a way that no, never mind. There's no other way. That's the maximum length, and that is basically the idea where your hand cannot go inside and it can bend to the location where you want to install the stuff. And yeah, this is the tiniest one, and this is, I think, the most useful when it comes to removing heatsink of the laptop. And like usually heatsink and the other screws are actually a bit little than the outside Phillips head screws. So this is like the smallest one that is useful for that, I believe. But sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes they use the same size. Sometimes they can use a bit smaller one inside and bigger one outside, or sometimes it can be the opposite. Yeah, it really depends on what. Yeah. Okay. I actually tried to put it inside. It didn't work. I just get frustrated, like why it didn't work. I go and open the website, like why the thing is not working. Apparently they just said you need to press harder in the website. So I'm not breaking anything, it's just the way it is. So if you guys didn't manage to do it the first time, and it just snaps back in, that's also very cool. I also want to test if magnetic thing works when I try to do it with my laptop. Hopefully it will work, because it's a very handy feature that you can not worry about dropping the bolts or whatever they call screws. Yeah, that's a very, very cool design of their aluminum screwdriver. Yeah, that's the extender right there, and I'm gonna put actually one picture of it about the thing. And yeah, hit the like button, guys, as always. We are actually coming to the end of the video, and yeah, bye. I'm gonna show the picture, like how it looks like when you manage to put it inside the extender. So yeah, be right back. So yeah, guys, here we are. It's like this is how it looks like when you manage to put it inside the extender. You just need to press a bit more, and I think what happens, you see this black side that is like it can be a bit like loose, and the way it works, I think you need to just touch it a little bit there, and then it just loosens up the you know, when you try to remove it that way, that's, I think, the easiest way to remove it, because I just trying to figure out how it works, and it's sometimes, you know, pop open and sometimes it's just stuck inside, and I was like, why it's stuck inside if I can just simply, why I can't simply remove it like the way it works in the original bit driver, the screwdriver. But apparently this is like maybe some sort of key that you need to put it a bit down, and then you remove the bit driver, and then it's just go back up. I think that's how it works. But yeah, maybe in future I can try how it works in a video, because like I have no idea how it works. Of course, I'm just guessing in my mind that that's how the way it works. Hopefully, I got a notification from someone, I don't know for who, but yeah, everything is fine. So yeah, that's what I want to show. Of course, this is like how it looks like when you manage to put it to the extender, and at other places connect to the screwdriver. And yeah, that's, I guess, the video about the screwdriver, the unboxing. So yeah, let's go to the, I guess, bigger camera screen now. So yeah guys, here we are I'm about to finish the video, and like this is the box, as I said in the beginning of the video. Like this is my hand, and this is how the box look like. And like it's, I guess, a bit smaller than my hand, but not that much, because the box, like I guess 95% of the box is the outside plastic. That's like, you know, the box I have a hand in me, and like the 5% is the, you know, this covers. So it's still like a bit smaller than my hand. And the prying tools are actually, if this is my finger, this is roughly with my, you know, index, I guess, pointing finger, ring finger, whatever we call this. I don't even know. No, this is the ring finger. So yeah, this is, I think, index, pointing finger, whatever they call. So yeah, this is like roughly the same size with my this finger. So yeah, that was the unboxing video of prying tools and IFIXIT Mako driver kit. And yeah, that's, I guess, pretty much for now. We have like 70 minutes in. I hope I didn't take you guys time so much. The video might be dead, I'm sorry about that, but it is what it is. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna do my outro now. If you guys enjoy my content, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, guys, and comment down below what you need to say. Right now we have cooking, art, gaming, technology, reaction, family contents. You can find them on the playlist section of the channel, you can find them in the homepage section of the channel, and you can find them in the description of the video that you are watching, obviously. And if you have any feedback, critique, what's so on, let me know in the comment down below, as always, so that way I can hopefully feature your username in the video, or maybe if you need something helpful that is, you know, you need my assistance to do as a video, as a special video for that, I can maybe try that. I did like 2 answering the commenters' question, so it's, I hope that videos are also helpful as well. I always, you know, open to feedbacks or everything. So yeah, that's, I guess, pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you guys later in another video, and bye guys. See you.